What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So today, what we got the Echo Show 5, which is a 5.5 screen. Echo, it runs off the Alexa. Let me just turn that off real quick. It runs off the Alexa.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Alright, it runs off the Alexa user software. You say Alexa, you ask it different questions, and you just rock out that way. But we're going to go through a couple of functions. I opened the box already because the setup time is about 5-10 minutes. There's no need for you guys to see me open up the box. Plus, I can walk you through it real quick in about a minute or two. You're going to open up the box. You're going to open up the box. It's going to give you an introduction screen. It's going to pretty much show you some introductory videos. Then they're going to ask you for your Wi-Fi setup, your Wi-Fi code, your Wi-Fi password, and you're going to log in. They're going to log into that. It's going to be another introductory video, and then they're going to ask you for your Amazon code, your Amazon password, and then it's going to be saying wait about 5 minutes. And then it's going to bring you to a couple of introductory videos, and then you're going to be at the home screen where I'm at right now. And you're going to be here. So, let's just do that real quick. If you see that right there, it says, camera cover closed. Your camera will be off until you open the camera cover. If you make or receive a video call or drop it, you will be able to see the other caller's video, but they won't be able to see you. All right? Read that again, and you understand what's going on. But you can turn that off and on right here. You see that? It lights up orange. So that's for all you little conspiracy guys. Wait, let me just show you again. You see how that turned black? Now the camera is on. Turn it back. Now the camera is off. So this goes to like all the conspiracy people who think that the Echo, all of these, your laptop is watching you when they have that front-facing camera. Let's put this into perspective real quick. You're walking around with a computer in your phone 365 days. A computer in your pocket, which is your cell phone. 365 days a year, 7 days a week. What do you have on that front-facing camera? Well, I just told you. You got a front-facing camera on that phone every time you take your selfies, whatever. So if you feel like people watching you or whatever, pretty much that thing is doing it every time you open up to go to Instagram, Facebook, Amazon, whatever. If you think people watching you, they're doing it every single time you look at your phone, make a phone call, whatever. Another thing, if you think the phones listen to you or these things are listening to you, it's a possibility. Obviously, it is, because every time I say Alexa, which it won't do right now because I got the mic off. If you say Alexa, that's a hot word, and it automatically, triggers that to know that I'm about to ask a question. So if you got a cell phone, an Android cell phone, or Android, or if you got an Apple, when you say "Hey Siri," what happens? You trigger that, So who's to say that any other trigger words is not working whenever you say other trigger words? If you understand what I'm saying. You understand? So if they could say Alexa and they could say Siri, they could use other trigger words to make you activate your phone or activate your camera. So it's one of those things. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have a cell phone or you're gonna be paranoid. Either or. Me, I could care less. You know what I'm saying? They watching me. I could care less. It is what it is. But alright, let's get back into this. So it's got a 5.5 inch screen all the way. I got the white. I think it comes in different colors also. I'm not sure about that. But I got the white. I'm going to turn it back on. Now the camera came back on. You see that right there? Press continue. And it's going to bring you to the home screen. Alright, so let's ask us some questions. Alexa, what's the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Garnerville, there will be rainy weather with a high of 46 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 40 degrees.
And it gives you the whole rundown. Alright, so Alexa, home. So what I like about this, I'm in the studio, this is where this one is going to be at. So I got this hooked up to my, my Ring and all of that, all of those, functions or whatever. So I can say something like, Alexa, Show me back door.
Okay.
Right now, that's a live view from my back door. Alexa, show me front door.
Okay. Front door isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
It is what it is, but you get the gist. You know what I'm saying? So that's what that is. I can also set the thermostats. Alexa, let's see if it works. Alexa, set bedroom thermostat to 74.
The heat's set to 74.
Boom. Alexa, set thermostat in the bedroom to 75.
The heat's set to 75.
Done, just like that. And I'm all the way down in the studio, and the bedroom's like 2 stories up. You see what I'm saying? So this is a nice little gadget to have. You can also watch Alexa, show me recent movie trailers.
To watch a trailer, include the movie's name, like play the trailer for Wonder Woman.
Alexa, play the trailer for Wonder Woman. And it shows you that right on the screen right there.
Fighting does not make you a hero.
Go.
What if I promise to be careful?
Alexa, stop. So you could do plenty of things like, Alexa, tell me a joke.
Jimmy's still got this.
Where do aliens go for a drink? A Mars bar.
Alexa,
He's pretty good at this.
home. So you get the big display, you swipe down, you go home, you got the brightness, you got your settings, you can set it to whatever you want to set it to. You got your clock, you got your different you can do night mode, you customize your clock appearance, you can do personal photos, modern, playful, you know, whatever you want to do. You can set different things. You see what I'm saying? Like right there, I'll leave it, put it on that. Check it off. And now that's your clock, your front clock. It comes with some instructions or whatever if you want to, you know, say, Alexa, what's the news? Alexa, what's the news?
Jamalco, here's what's new. From Gary V365.
Hey Gary, I'm Nick. So right now I'm 16 and in high school, and I want to be an entrepreneur, just like using all that. Gary V.
Alexa,
so what advice?
Stop. Alright, so that's what you got right there. You can also say, Alexa, what movies are playing this weekend? Alexa, what movies are playing this weekend?
Here are a few movies playing near Garnerville this weekend. Star Wars Episode 9, The Rise of Skywalker. Little Women.
I'll tell you everything.
Jumanji, The Next Level.
Alexa, stop. Alright, so that's the Echo Show 5. I'll put the link in the description for it. I think it's going for like about $150 on Amazon. Probably a little cheaper now after the holidays. But I'll put the link in the description below if you want to cop it. You know, click the link and you get one for yourself. Put it in the kitchen, put it in the bathroom, put it in your office. Just a nice little thing to have around. Plus it's pretty loud. And you can't go wrong. And like I said, if you don't like, you know, the camera or you don't want to hear the mic so you think people listening to you, just shut it off. Just like that. Me, I don't care. I'm going to rock out and I'm going to leave mine on. Alright? So that's the Echo Show 5. If you like it, go cop it. If not, just sit back and be entertained. If you're liking the video, subscribe. Like it at Instagram. Do what you do. Follow me on Instagram at Mr.I'mSoFocused. And pretty much it. That's what we're going to be rocking out for the rest of the year. Videos, car videos, a lot of stuff coming. Alright? So, like I say at the end of every video, trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.